I'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for desktop on Windows or Mac without confusing you with complex syncing options or how to find your files. If you're looking to effortlessly manage your cloud files directly from your computer or want to free up valuable hard drive space while still having access to everything, you need to learn how to use Google Drive for desktop. This tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Once you've installed and set up the app, using it is incredibly easy. First, you'll notice a new Google Drive location has appeared on your computer. On a Windows PC, you'll see it in your File Explorer, while on a Mac, you'll find it in Finder. You can simply click on the new location to access all your cloud files and folders, just as you would with any other drive. The core of using the app comes down to a choice you made during the setup process, to stream or mirror your files. When you stream files, your documents and photos are stored securely in the cloud, saving space on your computer. When you click on a file, it downloads instantly, and you can access it as you would normally. This is great for those with a small hard drive. When you mirror files, Google Drive creates a full copy of everything on your computer. This means all your files are always available offline and don't require an internet connection to open. This is the perfect option if you have a large hard drive and want constant offline access to everything. With either option, using the app is as simple as dragging and dropping. This makes it feel like you're working with local files, while Google Drive handles all the syncing automatically in the background. Now let's explore a few more features. You can make specific streams files available offline for a road trip or an upcoming flight by simply right-clicking on the file or folder and selecting Offline Access and then Available Offline. If you want to see all your offline files in one place, you can do so from the Preferences menu, which you can access by clicking the Google Drive icon in your taskbar on Windows and then the gear icon. You can also use the Preferences menu to automatically sync specific folders from your computer, like your desktop or documents. Finally, a couple of bonus tips. You can set the app to automatically back up your photos and videos to Google Photos instead of having to transfer them manually. And for those who use Microsoft Office, you'll love that you can collaborate on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files in real time right from your desktop, just as you would with Google Docs. Now that you've learned how to use Google Drive for desktop, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Google Workspace video tutorials. Thanks for watching.